Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1967 Dodge Coronet RT. This is a true WS VIN, true RT car. This is also your original color combination, factory KK1 medium turquoise metallic with the white vinyl interior. Love the color combo. I actually sold this car, I think it was in 2011, right here to a gentleman locally. Just bought it back from him. Great car though. Runs and drives excellent. 440 big block underneath the hood. 727 Torqueflite automatic transmission. 8 3/4 rear end with the 390 sure grip. Sorry guys, that wind is taking my breath away here. It's just a little chilly this morning. But pretty car. A little slick here in our parking lot. We just got just enough snow to make it a little slippery here. Good car. You can see it's got a lot of the original chrome and stainless are on it. Still in nice shape. Looks like they've replaced the bumpers. It's got a couple little stone pecks, a couple little things you can pick at in the paint, but still very nice. And again, a true RT car. You guys that know me, man, I love this body style. The Satellite, or the Plymouth version of this is actually my favorite, but the Dodge is nice too. That rear tail panel's in great shape. Again, a little bit of pitting and stuff, but still very nice. Again, you see a couple little touch-ups. You're gonna see some little things like that on this car. But again, still very nice. It's got Cooper Cobras. Sorry, guys, try pulling around here. Got a little bit dirty on the bumper there. Cooper Cobras all the way around it with 15-inch Magnums. Clean, straight body. Looks like the car's got all the original body panels. It's a non-matching numbers block, but the car came with a 440. That's what's in it. 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds, power steering, power brakes. Does have the Mopar radiator in it with the shroud. There's your fender tag. They've converted it to electronic ignition. Good car. Said the trans is brand new. He just had that done last summer, had the trans rebuilt. Again, just a nice car, guys. Should have put my gloves on, man. I didn't realize that wind was just cuts you to the bone. See a little patina in your mirror there. But again, very nice. You guys, like I say, if you guys been watching these videos, I own everything here. I don't do any consignment. And I don't buy junk. It's got to be a nice car. I don't mess with it. It's just a good car, man. Good straight car. Bucket seats. Got the buddy seat in there. It's got all the original seat belts. Nice driver car here. Showing 3569. That's not actual. Factory dash. He's got an aftermarket tach in there. He's got the AM radio in there, but actually in the glove box, he's got an aftermarket stereo system in it. Yeah, when you look in here, this car is just solid, man. That's what I liked about this car. A little cold, so I have to be careful. You can see it's all body color in the trunk like it's supposed to be. I think there is a spare in here. See the original insulation still on the quarters. Again, car's nice underneath, brand new Flowmaster, Flowmaster dual exhaust with the chrome tips. Those are brand new, actually. 8 3/4, 391 sure grip. Again, seats are nice. Dash is in real good shape. Like I say, just a good car, man. Should be a lot of fun to jump in and cruise and have some fun with. I like the color, man. It's cool. Yeah, good running 440. Is that tach not working? Must be cold. We'll check it.
Speedo works.
Speedo does work, all that stuff. Hey, there's always something, guys. Backup lights work. There's your aftermarket radio in there. It's too cold to mess with all that. Does heater work?
Yeah, heater works.
Heater does work.
It all works.
Radio does work, guys. I'm about froze, man. I'm sorry. My hands are just hurting here. I should have put gloves on. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com, or you're always welcome, guys. Pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Have a great day, guys.